Do you want to be a successful man, a successful woman in this life? Pick this advice. First thing you have to do, stop letting yourself down, no matter any situation or any condition you find yourself. Begin to see yourself as one of them. Speak positive things in your life. Even your children, if you want them to go far, stop telling them, oh, you are a child of a poor man, a child of a poor woman, a woman way. No. Tell them that you are not poor. You are going to be a celebrity. You are going to be this and that. That thing that you wish your children to be. Start speaking that positive things on their head. Even though that is your word there, you don't have anything. If you have a little food, fry it with olive oil, prepare it, let them hear the noise of that oil, and you people should eat it and enjoy it as a rich food. If you don't have clothes to wear, wash the one you have and dress. So every time I am a poor person, you are holding yourself for what you are speaking through your mouth. If you want to move on, start speaking positive things. There is power in tongues. Arise wherever you're sitting down there. If you want to be a millionaire, you must think like them. If you want to be a rich man, you must think like them. Whatever you want to be in life, you must think like them. How can you be thinking as a poor man and you say you will try, you will go far? No. My dear brother, my dear sisters, pick this advice from today. Whatever you wish to be or your children to be, start claiming that thing and speak it out. There is power in the world. This power connected spiritual side. This power in tongues break the yoke of bondage. This power in tongues have something to do with faith. And when you speak it, believe it. And God will see you through. Remain blessed. I, King Pride Okono. Share and subscribe. Love you all.